Okay, there he is. Don't hit that tree! Dang, there's a plant in the way. Hey, get back up here. He's stuck? Oh no, he ain't.
Oh, that guy is stuck.
Go, 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 go!
Hey! Woo!
Here he comes! Careful!
Yeah!
The front wheels weren't moving.
Dad, you were spinning tires. Dad, be careful. Spinning tires.
Perfect!
Careful, Dad, you're spinning tires. Yeah!
Ah, dang, you got mud on me! There he goes. Here's the first mud pit. Mud bogger! Whoa! Great, now let's go. Go, dude. Running over a log. And you thought you might not make it. Oh God, oh God, oh God.